Okay. Eto na nga guys, ang ating newly sash Great Man of the Universe Philippines representing Laur, Nueva Ecija. Okay. Kumusta naman?
I'm okay naman po. Hello, Miss Lala Loves. I'm Lala Laur.
Okay. So, here's a simple question just for you. Okay. Ano ang dream legacy mo?
My dream legacy po, everyone naman po is unique here in Great Man of we have different strength and we have different weaknesses po. But my greatest dream po is to represent not only my municipality or province of Laur, but I want to represent our country in the international stage.
Wow. So, ano ang pinaka-aabangan sa journey mo?
Siguro po yung pinaka-aabangan nyo po is yung talent competition po. As a PE teacher, I make my own talent po.
Wow, nice to know. So, ano naman ang dream platform mo?
Sorry, again.
Platform.
My dream platform po, everyone of us have an advocacy. As a teacher, my advocacy is the sustainable development goals, especially the SDG number 4, the quality education, because we believe that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world.
Okay, invite them to follow your social media accounts and regarding the coronation night.
Hello everyone, ini-invite ko po kayo na i-follow po ang social media account ko, John Dave C. Padilla po in Facebook and JDPLL in the Instagram po. Please supporting me in the following events po ng Great Man of the Universe Philippines. Thank you po.
Okay, how about the coronation night?
Usually, ang coronation night po, wala pa naman pong event or date na ibinibigay. Pero make sure po na pinaka-abangan nyo po ang aming coronation night dahil as I mentioned po ni Ma'am Shandy kanina na maraming pasabog at pakulo ang Great Man of the Universe.
Okay, again, good luck!
Thank you po.